Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between XTB on the left and Scalable Capital on the right. And before starting this comparison video, I want to make one thing clear, and that is I won't tell you which platform is better. Both platforms are totally different, and I will tell you in today's video on 5 different topics the differences between those two applications. So my goal is after this video you know exactly which platform will fit you the best. So let's start right here with the main focus on XTB. And the main focus on XTB is that XTB is a CFD and stock investing platform. If you look to Scalable Capital, it's more a long-term investing and ETF focused brokerage. Then if we look to XTB, XTB is the best for active traders and CFD users, and Scalable Capital is the best for long-term ETF investors. Then if you go to the trading tools, XTB has advanced charting, CFDs, stocks and ETFs, and Scalable Capital has stocks, ETFs and automated ETF saving plans. Then if we look to the interface, XTB is more trader focused and streamlined, and Scalable Capital is clean, simple and beginner friendly. If you look to XTB, the trading cost and fees, they have stock ETF trades often with 0 commission within limits, and the CFDs use spreads plus overnight fees. Then if you look to the Scalable Capital fees and trading cost, they have low cost investing with flat fee trading and very low cost ETF saving plans. So if you ask me, many investors use XTB for active trading, CFDs, commission-free stock and ETF investing within limits, and many investors use Scalable Capital for long-term ETF investing, automated saving plans and simple portfolio building. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which platform will fit you the best. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.